Okay, so I've already pulled up my Google Drive here just by going to drive.google.com, and you can see right here are all of my folders that I have all of my schoolwork that I use on Google Docs in. You can see I have a folder for BGR because I do a lot of work with that program. And I also have all of my classes from last semester in this folder here in fall 2017, and all the courses I'm taking this semester in this folder titled Spring 2018. And then you can see those courses here, each has their own folder, so I can put the homework that I'm doing in that class in the folder. And then if we click here on the EDCI 270 folder, we'll see I have a folder specifically for my course theme, and then hopefully there will be some more folders as I go throughout the class. But if we click on the course theme folder, then we can see the only document it contains is my justification for theme selection. If we wanted to make a new document, we could just click right here on New and go to Google Docs. If we wanted to make it a document, or we could also click on Slides for a PowerPoint slide presentation, and then also on Sheets for like an Excel spreadsheet. But here's our new document that we just made. We can title it something like Google Drive Sharing. And then if we wanted to share it with someone, then we would just have to click there on Share up in the top right, and then we could enter their names and email addresses. Or we could also click on Get Shareable Link here and share the Google Doc via that way.